Hey y'all, Crystal here. Today we're doing make one left.
Okay, for here we're going to knit to our marker. So we're going to knit those first three. Now we're going to slip our marker and make one left. Okay, to make one left, we're looking for the ladder between our stitches. So when I pull it apart, it's this bar here. We're going to pick up the ladder from the front to the back, like so. And then we're going to knit it through the back loop. Slide that off there. Then we just knit across the row.
And here's how it looks when you make one left on the knit side for several rows.